So I was just scrolling through shorts like I usually do. And I saw this original versus cover comparison of the Billie Eilish song Happier Than Ever. And the cover, I'm so sorry, just sounded too dramatic, bad. So I saw another comment, like a comment, telling that it just doesn't sound good, that she doesn't like it, and another comment replying to that comment saying, oh, try it, do you think you can do that? And I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna attempt. I'm going to attempt. Please don't make fun of me, I know I'm weird. I don't relate to you, I don't relate to you, no, 'cause I never treat me this shitty. You made me hate this city.